Next up, the Technology Inventor Award will now be presented by the Vice President for Dassault Systèmes. The Dassault name is a famous one. You may recognize it as a French company. The founding family were the ones that developed the Mirage fighter jet, and they spun Dassault Systèmes off as a big technology company, and they were smart enough to hire a very savvy and suave Brit to represent them in the United States. Please welcome my good friend Stephen Madge. Stephen.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm back here for the second time. I feel very honored, Bill, to be called suave. That's quite a compliment, thank you. I've never been called suave before. I have a great job. I work for one of the world's largest scientific software companies, Dassault Systèmes, that Bill suggested. Aerospace, automotive, life sciences, we're involved in all sorts of things. But our goal is to sell our 3D visualization software to companies that help them create the world's best products, the most sustainable products, and our tagline is product, nature, and life. So everything that we do, your car that you drove here today, the plane you took to get here, your handbag, your shoes, has probably been developed and designed using our software. We're very diverse. So the awards that we're going to present tonight are actually quite applicable. So let's move ahead. The Technology Inventors Awards recognizes pioneering accomplishments of a person or a team responsible for the creation of breakthrough ideas, processes or products which advance the arts, education, electronics, energy, engineering, environment, medicine, and or science. So the finalists in the Technology Inventor Awards are?
I'm Professor Abu Mali from the University of Texas at Berlin.
Patrick Antaki with Evergaze.
Corey Clark, Balanced Media Technology.
Rahul Saini from Zyvex Labs.
So here we go. So a few words about those nominees. So Dr. Ali Abu Mali and his team at UT Arlington developed a high-definition sensor and laser technology robotically monitored and predictive system that looks after and monitors sewage conditions and pipeline conditions. Patrick Antaki and his team from Evergaze Technology invented an electrical optical device to help the visually impaired regain their sight. Robert Atkins of Balanced Media Technology is a video game developer that harnessed the problem-solving potential of the gaming community to eradicate disease. And Rahul Saini of Zyvex Labs has created the most advanced implant ever made to restore vision in the blind patients with macular degeneration. So that was a mouthful. So let's see who the winner of this Technology Inventor Award is. The suspense. It's unbelievable. Rahul Saini, Zyvex Labs.
We built the Bionic Eye NR600, the most advanced retinal prosthesis to restore eyesight for the blind. It is the smallest implant, active implant in the world at the size of a grain of rice. It is the most complicated neural interface perceived by humans with the human body.
Congratulations. Well done.
This is great. Thank you all Tech Titans. I'm honored. Thank you. I don't know what to say. My work actually involves disrupting medicine the way we know it today. So, Jim, thank you very much for allowing me to be part of the Zyvex team. Without you, this is all not possible. I'm gratified working with you, working for you, creating my vision, my dreams into reality. Bill, thank you very much for being my hands. I really appreciate you. Nidhi, my wife, you've always stood there for me and literally kept my feet on the ground. I'm an aerospace engineer. I try to fly. And my mom and dad are here today. So thank you for being the idol that I always look upon and being an inspiration for me. Thank you. Thank you all.